Phonics 課堂想更好玩，Llama Hood 聯成 Freeze Learning 帶你一齊解鎖學習新體驗。呢個字母開鎖玩具一套有26個鎖頭同26條鎖匙，每條鎖匙都要揾返正確嘅字母先開到鎖㗎。訓練到手眼協調之餘，又可以學到英文字母。Miss Mel 平時會用佢嚟教 letter names 同 sounds， 例如講出小朋友就要揾返 letter P 嘅鎖匙。
Miss Mel is looking for the sound. What sound is it? Can you say? Yeah, what letter sound?
Yeah.
What letter is it? Letter P.
Miss Mel 仲會用呢個玩具嚟教小朋友拼音同拆音。
So what sound we have here? Okay, so listen for the first sound, okay? Are you ready? Yeah, listen. Cat. Cat. Which one is the correct sound? Yeah, cat. Which one? Very good. Okay, can you put here, please? Okay, we say together. Cat. Cat. Well done.
呢個字母開鎖玩具一套有26個鎖頭同26條鎖匙，每條鎖匙都要揾返正確嘅字母先開到鎖㗎。訓練到手眼協調之餘，又可以學到英文字母。咁好玩嘅玩具，仲快啲嚟 unlock 快樂學習之門！